17th April, 8:30. So I'm going to take this apart because what happened is the check valve is rusted, so water is returning back into the submersible. So what tends to happen is the submersible turns on often. I mean the period to on is quite short, and it consumes a lot of energy, and that's why I want to prevent additional energy wasted by cleaning the rust off the check valve. This is a butterfly type check valve. Don't use anything else because they tend to rust, and after that they just you can't clean the other one. And so I found that this one is this is the best type to use as check valve. So what tends to happen is the gauge begin to slowly go down. As you can see, it's slowly turning minutely, and that's because of leakage, and that's what the reason why I need to fix it. So here the parts are taken apart. As you can see, there's plenty of rust, and inside, if you can see it, is the parts are rusted, and the flapper or butterfly valve, brand new, it's shiny, and now it's rusted, covered with rust. So water here is it erosive. It erodes the shiny part. In fact, you can see cracks or minute cracks where the leaks will occur. And so this thing, I think I replaced it last year or 2 years ago. They don't last long. I'm just going to clean it. I've already bought parts to replace this part. So give it 2 years. After that it'll leak. I've already cleaned it once, and this time I can see the erosion is worse than the first time I cleaned it. So I think the life usage of this would be about 2 to 3 years, and then you gotta replace it again. Water is really good for eroding components like this. So maybe when water is flowing across the surface of the brass, it would also act to scour the face of the butterfly valve. So I'm just gonna clean it. So it's kind of difficult to clean the valve. It's already pitted, and so that's the root cause of the leak. This thing doesn't last long, 2 years max. So if you ever use these and the submersible is constantly coming on every 5 minutes, then look at the check valve and see and just replace it. So in this case, I ordered this part from Lazada. Don't buy the one with silicone, because when the submersible is on, it removes the silicone, and that's it. So that's why, lessons learned. Initially I used the one with silicone as butterfly seal, and they're no good. So using this brass as the seal is best. However, they don't last long. So 2 years. So you replace the butterfly valve every 2 years. So I put it back. Of course it leaks like crazy. Now I gotta fix the leak. As always, when things are taken apart, there's always going to be something else that would go broke. So let's see. I set this to stop at 55 psi. Well, sadly, this thing is not it's still leaking. I can hear a hissing sound coming from here. So there's a water going back because the water column from the submersible, when it goes down, it acts like a vacuum, so it sucks water back. So now the gauge is here is around less than 40 psi. So that means that it'll turn on. I'll keep doing this until I have that check valve replaced. And it's just frustrating because the what you call period of on-off state of this, the period is fairly short, like 1 minute, 2 minutes. So I'm not sure exactly what to do yet. Maybe at night I'll turn it off, maybe, so that with this shut off, I'll turn it off. Right now we're using the water, and so we have no choice but leave it on until I fix this thing. So gonna suck. Anyway, so if you have a submersible as this, and you notice that it seems to be coming on every few minutes, the reason is the check valve. You gotta fix it, clean it, replace it, whatever you need to do to fix the problem. To demonstrate the leak, I'm just gonna remove this and we'll see the water coming out of this, and then it'll just spurt out here. So here water is coming out because the check valve is not working. So this is the problem, and this is one of the root causes for the submersible to come on and off, because this water will be sucked by the submersible, and then we'll just continue doing this. So the check valve is supposed to prevent water coming out of the pipe, so it doesn't work. So yeah, that's how it is. So I went to Roxas and bought a new one, and it's 550 pesos. So you can see the surface is shiny finish. This will last about 2 years because water is erosive, so it would begin to erode the surface of the machine finish. So 2 years, that's alright. So I'm just gonna replace the old one. Okay, this is the new valve. I don't hear any hissing sound or leaking, and I fixed the leak, so it's okay now, no leaking. So this thing will last 2 years. After that, it needs to be replaced. That's how it goes. Thanks for watching.